Hello guys, today I will show you how to make an NFT GIF online in just steps. So let's get started. I will show you NFT GIF. So like this you create a GIF. So let's get started. So you search on the ezgif.com in Google and click on it like this. So here is the dashboard of this site. So there is a lot of category like GIF maker, video to GIF, resize, rotate, crop, cut, optimize. So today I will show you how to make a GIF maker. So click on it and animate GIF maker. So choose a files, choose your NFT files. So I'll choose my NFTs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I choose 6 file, upload and make a GIF. Click on upload and make a GIF. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. So here is your GIF, 6 files, and it's a time of delay 20 second 20 second. You want to add more time like 25 to 30 as you need what you want. So I don't need to delay the timing. So you want to resize the image, so click on it and here is the images resize. So click on make a GIF. So you can see is so fast GIF. You need to slow the GIF. So you can delay time is 40. Make a GIF and here is it's slow GIF. And you need to add effects. So click on crossfade frames and then you set what you want, fader, delay, frame count. So make a GIF and like this. Here you can check the effect. So I fader delay. So click on it like this. I need like this. You want to add a delay, a fader delay and frame count, and you want also to add a delay time as you need. So here is my GIF and save. Save. Click on the save. Here is it. Click on the download. Here is your GIF. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe.